Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to use this Alice band. So I requested for it. This is my beading needle, and I'm going for this one, this fishing knife 0.3, and this is just also cut out the needle, the thread. I'm using fishing knife, sorry. And these are the bead I'm using. This one is the crystal bead, the round size, and this one is cone shape. Have you seen it? So and we are going to start this way. You first insert your needle like this, you go this way and you draw it out. So I'm picking one big crystal and one small crystal. Have you seen it? Big one, one small one. I'll draw it down. I'm going to draw it down. So I'll now pass my needle to the big crystal like this. I see, pass it like this way, and go to the, pass it through the Alice band and leave a space and draw it out. Draw it out this way. Draw it out this way. Draw it out this way. Have you seen it? Ah, it's so very beautiful. Draw it out this way. You pick another one again and pick small cone crystal. You draw it down. Draw the two down. Don't mind me, my fishing line is way too long. If you have been in my class before, you know I love fixing long thread, even though I'm doing fabric beading. So I love fixing long thread. So I'm just used to it. If you're just starting, just make sure the fishing line you are using is not that long to make your work easier and faster, so that it won't even get tangled at the same time. It won't get tangled. Seen it. So I'll pick another one again. Draw it down. Draw it down. Pass it inside the big. This is too long. Pass it inside the big crystal bead and draw it out. And draw it out. And draw it out. Make it full out. Draw it out. I'm going to fill everywhere. Just keep on watching what I'm doing and draw it out. Made a mistake. You're supposed to pass it this way before turning it. So okay, see how beautiful it is. Just keep on, you pick one crystal, big one, you draw it down and pick the second one like this. You now pass it inside the first one you pick and put it in your Alice band, leave a space and draw it out. You can actually use normal thread though. You can use normal thread, normal sewing thread, but I just want to use this one. And if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so that I can get notified anytime I post a new video. And thank you guys for keeping me this far. I really appreciate. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for sharing my video. Thank you for finding the first to me. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate. So just be doing it that way. I always say you can actually do it yourself than you buying at the market. You can do it yourself. So you put it at the crystal, the first one you picked, insert it in your Alice band, leave a small space and draw it out. Draw it out. See, we are not even yet done though. See how beautiful it's looking. I'm not yet done. See how beautiful it's looking. It's looking beautiful already. You can use any kind of bead though. Yes, but it's finer in crystal bead. And we all know that this is what is trending now. This is what is trending now. People use it always for owambe, and bride use it too. Bride confetti people, a lot of people use it, and I think it's quite somewhat expensive at the market if you are buying the ready-made. So you can actually just fix it and do it yourself than buying. You can do it yourself. Pick the big one, draw it down, and pick the small one too. You now insert, have you seen it? Put your needle inside the first one you pick. Put it inside your Alice band, leave a small space and draw it out. A small space and draw it out. Draw it out. And pick another one again. There's different method of doing this. This is one method. As time goes on, I will still come with another method. Actually, someone that comments on my post, on the video I posted, shared that I should do a tiara for them. So that's why I'm fulfilling this. I hope you are seeing this. And if you see, just kindly comment that I've done what you require me to do. So just be picking it that way. Pick the small one and insert it in the first one. Put it in your Alice band, leave a small space and draw it out. Just be careful when you are drawing it out so that it won't pull the previous one you have done. Keep on picking it. This is one thing about you fixing a long this thing. And I'm not going to cut it. I'm not going to cut it, guys. I'm not cutting it. So insert it this way. Have you seen it? Insert it in the first crystal, the big one. Put it in your Alice band, leave a small space and draw it out. And make sure that you are drawing it very hard. Make sure it's sitting firm on it. Make sure they are sitting well. And pick another one again. Pick another one again. Draw it down. Pick the small one. Insert it in the previous one you picked. Leave a small space and draw it out. Just pass it. Be passing it. Make sure that what you are doing is making sense and is getting fuller and fuller. The more full it is, the more beautiful it will look. Make it fuller, make it more beautiful. So pick another one again. Just keep on picking it till the end of the Alice band. Just keep on picking and picking and picking and picking and picking and picking. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Please guys, subscribe. Don't just watch my video, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media: Instagram Tori for Beading, Facebook Tori for Beading, like my video, share my video, comment on my video, guys. Thank you guys. So just be going this way. You are dragging everything out. See how beautiful it is. Let's keep on doing it. There's nothing hard in doing all this and beading, glue beading. Once you are creative and you are practicing it, just find yourself doing what you don't expect to do. That's just it. Keep on practicing it. And before you know, you are doing it yourself. Okay, so see how far I've gone. See how beautiful it's looking. So I'll just continue this way and take the small one too. Pass it through the front one. Pass it on your on this thing. In the small space and draw it out. So let's continue. You pick one, this, and you pick the other one. You pass it through the first, pass it through this space like this. Put it in the hole and pass it inside the pick another crystal again and you pick the cone, drag it down, and you pass it inside the cone, pass it in your Alice band, leave a space and draw it out. I'm trying to drag the middle out to somehow add. Right, there we go. And drag it down. Listen, you just have to fill the remaining small space. Pick the first one and the second one, pass it through the first crystal bead you pick like this, draw it out and pass it inside the Alice band, and draw it out. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and like my video, share, refer someone to tutorial for beading. fixing it.
Oh, candy. What is one low candy?
We are all done. See how beautiful it is. This is the end of the class. I hope you learned something, and I hope you can make this for yourself. You can do it on your own. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestion you want me to come up with, comment down below, and like and share my video. See you in my next class. Bye.